Using a 19mm socket, let's go ahead and remove our lug nuts. Remove the wheel and set it aside. We want to go ahead and remove this 14mm nut right here. We're going to start by putting some pliers on the inside here and want to lock this down into place. All right, now that we get the bottom one here off, let's go ahead and repeat for the top. And install our lower link right here. Let's go ahead and get that nut started on there. Go ahead and spin our upper link up and into place. Let's go ahead and get our nut installed on the back of this link. And then we'll go ahead and tighten those down. Go ahead and torque these sway bar nuts to 33 foot-pounds. And repeat for the top. Take your wheel, get that lined up. Let's go ahead and get your lug nuts installed. I'm going to get all these started by hand, and then we'll go ahead and snug them down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds.